Hey everyone, okay, so today is Tuesday Treats. Does that sound catchy? Anyway, I'm going to try and use Tuesdays as to showcase really good products. So this is what we're going to do, and then that way I can save the Fridays for really exciting things. But coming this Friday is the makeup trends that need to die in 2019. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let's make a start. First one, and I mentioned it in another video, so I'm going to talk about it again. Laura Mercier, this is the new palette, and it is a highlighting palette. There's 3 grams of product in each one. Now bear in mind that these kind of look like they're going to be too dark for lighter skins, but they actually swatch with a brush much lighter than they appear. But a finger swatch shows a much heavier kind of concentration of color. But these work, see what I mean? But done lightly, they look absolutely stunning. So let me show you the lighter shade next to it, and then the deepest one next to that. So there's the 3 shades, if you can see them. Now these work beautiful on the face, but also on the eyes. They are absolutely gorgeous. So I've bought another one. Let me just wipe that on my dressing gown. Okay, this is a lovely new palette from It Cosmetics. So let's, oh, I nearly dropped it. There we go. So you've got a highlighter in the middle, which can also be used as an eyeshadow, and then you've got eyeshadows all down the side. So you've got your deeper colors and also your more neutral colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the bronze shade here. Obviously a black is always good. So these are all matte and these are all shimmers. Pigmentation, if you're familiar with It Cosmetics, you'll know that they are absolutely lovely. So this is a great palette. Okay, ready for something so pretty, you're going to just touch yourself. I'm doing it now, as we speak. No hands. This is the new kind of highlighter from Rodial. Now you get in here 9 grams of product, and this is a soft focus glow powder. So you can use this as an all-over face powder to set, or as the most subtle highlighter. You're going to pick it as a highlighter, it's very subtle, but it is absolutely beautiful on the skin and looks so radiant. Setting your concealer, great job. Another beautiful one is the Bronze Tour, and this is a multi-purpose contour and bronzer. Best suited for those of you with light to medium to tan complexions, depending on how you're going to use it. People pick bronzers that are way too dark for their skin oftentimes. Bad people. Speaking of Rodial, they've just got 2. I've got these 2, and these are the eyebrow pencils, and I love an eyebrow pencil. Now these, unlike a lot of formulas, are super pigmented, and I'm going to show you. So if I just do a little kind of down the side of my hand, you can see these are absolutely super pigmented. So if you suffer from your kind of eye, look at that. I mean, these are so pigmented. So if you suffer from your eyebrows just disappearing through the day, these are a real treat. Now, Ellis Fast are these little bullets that contain your eyeshadow and your lipstick and your bronzers and your, you know, the thing. And they have these, oh my God, they're stuck. Come on. Oh. They used to be, you'd click them and they'd release into this kind of funnel, and you little brush and you would, and they were just problematic. So Ellis Fast finally redid them, and now they are in stick format. Shall we focus? So much better, much easier to apply, no more ugliness or just revoltingness from the products or them drying out. Look at this shade. You're gonna be, look at this, I'm gonna swatch this right here. Shimmering much? I think so. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna talk 2 exfoliants next. One's my favorite, one's my second really good one. So if you've got the money, really recommend Dr. Dennis Gross, the Alpha Peel. This is the extra strength one. Absolutely amazing. Now I'm going to be talking to you in another video about the use of alcohol in products, because for years I just believed what I read, which was that it's really bad and you will die if you use it. So I spoke to some dermatologists, and as you know, I'm making my own makeup line, so I've been I get to speak to people in the know. So now I understand about alcohol, but these are magnificent for exfoliating the skin. They are phenomenal. Do what I do, open them up, take a pad, do it all over your face, put it back in, seal it, because you've done it on cleansed skin. You can use it 2 or 3 times, lasts 3 times as long. This you get 60 pads in, so double the amount. This is Peter Thomas Roth. Really, really good. Not as good as this, but still really good. So half the price and double the amount, just saying. Okay, great product if you're looking for a really strong but effective and relatively gentle retinol product. Kate Somerville, really, really good one. This also contains, this is a Retinol Vita C Power Serum. I love a retinol product. Okay, so this is super expensive, but will last you like, what, a year and a half? Come in 2 sizes. I got the limited edition one because I love it so much. This is Vinters Daughter. So this is the original and this is the super-sized one. You need a couple of drops, that's it. It's hard to explain, you just need to try it to understand it. If it is within budget, give it a go because it's phenomenal. So, speaking of phenomenal products, this cost me an absolute fortune in import duties. I'm not impressed. So, these are the lipsticks. Christine Audette, Christine Audette, that's what we're going to say, with the Beauty Professor. So, I got these, they're in their little packaging, I've had a little gander at them. So expensive with the imports. So there you go, this is what they look like. They are the lipsticks and the pigmentation is divine. Oh, I've got all stuff all over my hands. So let me just show you. This color here is called Ellie. Look at that, it is the most beautiful pink, and I love a pink lipstick. I'm not a fan of red lipsticks in general, but so pretty. Let me show you the other one. I've kept them in their boxes because they are so nice. Let's have a look. This is sort of an orangey kind of peach. What shade is it called? Go Lightly. See it? That's bright, right? You gotta love a bright color. And finally, let me show you the other one. This is the nude, and this is called Jonah. So I'm gonna swatch that here because there's just no bloody space. I'll tell you that. Very, very creamy. Absolutely beautiful. I always think no lipstick is complete without a nice shimmery gloss on, but that's just my personal thoughts on the subject. And finally, I mentioned this in the roundup of the best skincare products of 2018, but I want to talk to you about it again here because it's phenomenal, and I promise you it is. So this is the LED mask from Dr. Dennis Gross. I bought all these myself, by the way. You got the red for anti-aging, you got the blue for acne, you got a combination for the 2. Now, 3 minutes is all you need. So what I do is I use this on the blue setting after I've exfoliated. Then I put the retinols on and I use the red for anti-aging. 6 minutes it takes me in the evenings, that's it. I cannot say enough good things. It's expensive, it costs me £430 I think here in the UK. Worth every penny because A, it's here forever now, but I haven't had a single issue with my skin since using it. No breakouts, no problems. It is bloody amazing. If it is within budget, you can buy it. You know you've got it forever. Marvelous. Got all of this lot from Cult Beauty. So good, so good. And next day delivery, I love that. There you go. That's my Tuesday favorites. See you next time. Bye bye.